Hey guys, it's Zell and welcome back to my travel diary. Thank you for clicking on this video and I hope that you will find this video informative or helpful on your future travels. It's been a while since the last time I uploaded a travel vlog. I just haven't had a time to travel since I came back from the Philippines. Well, anyway, today I am going to be a tour guide. I am on my way to meet Filipino tourists. They're staying here in Ueno, and Ueno is very convenient if you're coming or going to Narita Airport and if you're traveling to and from other prefectures by bullet train. You may consider this video as your one-day travel itinerary in Tokyo. It was around 10:30 in the morning, so we decided to have brunch first. This restaurant is called Skytree. It's a family restaurant that is very famous here in Japan because it's really cheap actually. So if you're on a tight budget, then you should go to Skytree. So I ordered corn soup and then this spicy fried chicken and then this hamburger with egg. The tourists that I'm guiding in this video are a mother and an 8-year-old daughter. And of course, the kid loves Sanrio, so Sanrio gift gate in Ueno is first on our itinerary. I didn't buy anything here, but I think this is so cute. You're gonna have to choose from here. So, one ribbon, different colors, and then one pin badge, this one, and one initial charm. This is where you buy the suitcase. They said it's cheap here. From Ueno station, we took the Ginza line to get to Asakusa station, and then from Asakusa station, we took the Asakusa line to get to Oshiage Skytree station. So now we need to get to the 31st floor of this building. This building is called Tokyo Solamachi. But first, we want to take some photos here with the Tokyo Skytree. In this building, the 30th and the 31st floors are restaurants with a view of Tokyo Skytree. If you're searching for a great place to celebrate a special day like a birthday or anniversary, you may consider making a reservation at one of the restaurants here. On the 31st floor, there's a space where you can have a free view of the city. But of course, if going up the Tokyo Skytree is on your itinerary, you may do so for an additional fee. From here, you can walk to Asakusa to visit the Sensoji temple. It takes around 20 minutes on foot. Along the way, we saw many bikes and scooters for rent like this. On the way to Asakusa, you will pass by Mizumachi. In English, Mizu means water and Machi means town, so it's literally translated to water town. Did you know that Tokyo has water taxis? You can go to some places in Tokyo by riding a small boat. The maximum capacity of a boat is 8 people. Wow. It's called Mizumachi because there are shops along the river. It is really nice to take a walk here and you can take lots of great photos here. I've seen a lot of people staying in this hostel. I think the location is really great. And this spot is great to take a photo with the Skytree. Look, you can have photos with the train and the Skytree.
walk is open from 7 in the morning until 10 in the evening.
The supposed 20-minute walk took us longer because we made a few stops to take photos and videos. And finally, we reached the Sumida River walk. After crossing this bridge, you are now in Asakusa. From this bridge, you can see the famous Asahi Beer's Golden Poop. This building is the domestic beer company's headquarters. Rickshaw or jinrikisha in Japanese is a light-weighted cart used to transport people, but in Japan it is common in touristy areas like Asakusa and Doko Onsen. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, the kid loves Sanrio characters. So, our main goal in Asakusa was to go to the Sanrio gift gate. You can find it on Orange Street. The street's color is orange, so you can easily distinguish it when you see it. This shop is bigger than the one in Ueno because it has a second floor. Wow, look at this! So cute! I collect ref magnets but I didn't buy one here. After that, we just went around and we found the Mameshiba Cafe. Mameshiba is a small Shiba dog. Hachiko, the famous loyal dog, is a Shiba dog, and that is maybe the reason why the line is long and the tickets are sold out already. However, if you really love dogs, there's another dog cafe just in front of Mameshiba Cafe. It is called Rio Inu Cafe, and they have different dog breeds. That sums up our one-day tour in Tokyo. If you're not into taking photos and videos, it is possible to add Odaiba to your itinerary. There's a ferry going to Odaiba from Asakusa and vice versa. It is a great experience to see more of Tokyo. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I do really hope that this will help you on your travels to Japan. If you need a tour guide, please feel free to comment down below or check the description box to see how to contact me privately. And lastly, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Bye bye!